Ultra convenient. The bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris, while its true HEPA filtration captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Ultra cleaning performance. Incredible suction picks up dirt and debris on all floor types, all while methodically cleaning row by row to ensure nothing is missed. On-demand deep cleaning. Use ultraclean in the sharkclean app and the robot will make 2 complete cleaning passes back and forth, then side to side for extra deep cleaning with no cleaning gaps. Perfect for homes with pets. The combination of powerful suction and Shark's self-cleaning brush roll picks up 50% more pet hair with no hair wrap. Precision home mapping. 360 degrees technology quickly and accurately maps your home so you can set cleaning areas and no-go zones in the sharkclean app. Ultra adaptable. AI laser navigation ensures precise total home coverage, detecting and avoiding objects in its path, day or night, adapting to the everyday changes in your home. Ultra hands-free control. Set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate UltraClean all with sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Extended runtime. Up to 120 minutes of runtime for whole home cleaning. And with Recharge and Resume, the robot will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. Built, tested, and perfected. Shark puts their robots through rigorous testing to guarantee reliable and high-quality performance. Top reviews from the United States. I am impressed. Now the only thing that I can compare to is my old Roomba. That unit, we called her Rhoda, was efficient in picking up dog hair and dust and dirt. The problem with Rhoda was she ran into everything. I was constantly having to use the touch-up pencil on our dining room chair legs and the legs on just about everything. She was cleaning blind. Now mind you, Rhoda was 2 years old and the new Rhodas may be somewhat smarter, technology being advancing as it is. Rhoda would just take off and go one direction, run into furniture, turn and head off in a different direction. Then when her battery was getting low she could not find her home base even if you placed her a foot from it. Now the new Shark Vac is way smarter than Rhoda. We call her Lucy. I just watched her on her first test run. She goes in a straight line, comes to a wall or furniture, turns and follows parallel to the last run and so forth. Then, we have a dog and he sheds a lot, his name is Choo Choo. She got her trash can full and she came back to her base, precisely found it, backed up to the vent, parked, blew out her load, then headed out to work some more. When Rhoda was full she just turned on a light. Again Rhoda is 2 years old, Lucy is new. But if I were to score them I would give Rhoda about a 7, running into things and just zigzagging, and I would give Lucy a 10, very calculated in direction, finding base to recharge or unload her waste bin into the base waste bin. Highly recommended.